Okay, we got the
Morning,
baby.
America. As you can see with the footage that I have presented to you, America is over it. And I'm doing this blog because I want the world to know what is happening right here in America. In all the states, they are lashing out, they're protesting, they're not going for it, they're taking justice in their own hands. Now, the latest that I heard this morning is that when they done the autopsy pertaining to George Floyd, the excuse is he didn't die by the police hands, right? They claim that he had drugs in his system. Why? Because he's a black man. So every black man doing drugs. That does not excuse the behavior. And I don't even believe that. It is a big cover-up. Yes, they arrest the officer. And it needs to be officers because it was a few of them watching him die. I'm telling you. And also what I'm hearing, that this officer have link up with Florida. He has a home here and everything. So what his backside was doing there, helping out my ass, helping to eliminate the black population. That's what he was doing. This is crazy. America, this is crazy. The entire world, this is crazy. We can't just sit down and watch another human being suffer like that, begging for his life. And the more he begged, is the more the man put his knees in his neck and everything, cutting off his circulation. How evil can you? Whether the man had drugs in his system or didn't have drugs in his system, which I'm more to believe because of their cover-up, the officers had no right taking his life. They know what they were doing. They knew what they were doing. They're just evil like that. Well, you know, right now, a lot of you officers is getting exposed all around America because this has been happening from Rodney King time till now. The black men and black women have been eliminated with people that's wearing a badge as an excuse. Well, guess what? We're not going for it. And on that note, I rest my case.